Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to switch to private account on X. So let's open X on my phone, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down to settings and privacy. Now as you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to go to section that's called privacy and safety. From here, go to section audience and tagging over here, and at the top of your screen you should see an option that is called protect your posts. This is the feature that is responsible for making your account private. So as you can see, I have already done that. My account is now private. And some additional information for you: when you make your account private, only your current followers are able to see your posts on your profile, and any new people who want to follow you on X, they must send you follower requests that you must manually decline or accept. So let me show you how to do it. In the top left, tap your profile picture, and in this menu you can see here different sections. You want to tap on follower requests, and from here you can manage your followers, your new followers on X. You can either accept them or decline them. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.